Hi, my name is Corey and I'm with the customer education team here at CommentSold. And in this video, I want to walk you through how you can go live directly through Facebook Live. Let's go. Going live directly through Facebook Live is recommended if you are, for some reason, encountering issues with your CommentSold broadcast app that are preventing you from going live through CommentSold. By using Facebook Live, you can still host a live sale that you have scheduled. Now, there are two important things to note about going live through Facebook Live. The first is that you will need to create your product selection for the products you wish to feature during your live sale. You will need to link your live sale to that product selection so that CommentSold can read the comments that your shoppers leave claiming products. The second is that your customers will not see the live sale overlay that they're used to seeing in your live sales. For this reason, it will be up to you as the retailer to let customers know what CommentSold identifier and variants they need to include in order to cart an item. For example, sold 102 small tan. Sold 102 is the CommentSold identifier, and small and tan are two variants for the product. Here we are on the CommentSold dashboard. The first thing that we'll review is how to create a product selection. Head over to Products in the side menu, and on this page, select a few items you wish to include in that product selection. At the top of the page, you can select the green Selected dropdown and choose the option Create Product Selection. You'll need to give your product selection a name. And for this specific instance, you'll want to put all the words together as one word, meaning no spaces between each word. This is because you have the option to link your product selection to your Facebook Live post using a hashtag, but it'll only work if the word is one word. So in this example, I am going to name my product selection Home Sale, but use it as one word. There we go. At this point, I can add additional items by just selecting the blue Select button beside each item. And when I'm done, I can scroll to the very bottom and select Save Product Selection. You'll be asked if you want to link the product selection to a post. Go ahead and hit Cancel. We're not doing that quite yet. Once you've created your product selection, you'll want to print your live helpers. These are sheets of paper that you can hold up for your shoppers to see, or that you can use behind the scenes for your own reference. Live helpers can be used in place of the live sale overlay, which is typically visible in a CommentSold live sale. To print live helpers, you'll want to head to your products page and locate your product selection. On the far right of the row, you're going to select the three dots, and from the dropdown, you want to choose the option to print live helpers. Your live helpers will open in a new tab and will show the CommentSold identifier. So for this throw, it's sold 100. If there are variants available, those will also be visible. So for example, on these candles, it's sold 104, and the 3 scents or variants are fig, sandalwood, and lavender. To print your live helpers, it's Control P on a Windows or Command P on a Mac. Once you've printed those live helpers, you can head over to Facebook to start your live sale. In this example, I am going to choose to go live on my Facebook page. This is because I have the option to also share it to my group. But know that you can choose to just go live on your page or just go live on a group. So here, I will scroll over to Pages and select my Peaches and Pockets page. I will scroll down to the option to create a live. Under Go Live, I'm going to select the Select button. On this page, you'll want to ensure over here on the left side that you are going live on the correct business page. You'll also want to ensure that you have When Are You Going Live set to Now. Your next step will be to add your post details. While a title is required, a description is optional. However, we can use the description field to link the product selection from CommentSold. Once you have that description in place, we're going to navigate back to CommentSold to grab your product selection name. You'll want to select Products in the side menu and locate the product selection you just created. You'll copy the name and head back to Facebook to add it to your post. In the description field, we'll add a hashtag and we'll paste our product selection name. Now, if you are wanting to share this live sale to a Facebook group, scroll down to Share to Pages groups and select your desired groups from the list. If you want to save this setting for future live sales, you can select Save Groups for next time and then hit Save. Now it's time to go live. You'll select your webcam and ensure that you have the correct camera and microphone selected. Once you're ready to go live, you'll select Go Live in the bottom left corner of the page. Now, if you didn't choose to include your product selection in your post description, you can manually link your live feed to the product selection. In CommentSold, head to Products. Locate your product selection and choose the 3 dots to the far right of the row. From this list, choose Link to Post. You should see on the Page tab your live feed. Now it says linked, and that's because I included my product selection name as a hashtag in my post description. If you were linking the post manually, this button instead would say link, and you would select that button to link the product selection to that Facebook Live. Because this live sale takes place completely on Facebook, your behind-the-scenes team can use the comments and chat settings to interact with your shoppers, answering questions or concerns that they might have about the products that you're featuring. It's also a good idea to enable your Facebook auto replies so that customers can be automatically notified via Facebook when they have carted an item or if they have incorrectly formatted a comment. For example, they wrote sold 102 but forgot to enter a correct variant. When you're ready to end the live sale, you'll simply select End Live Video. If you have any questions about going live through Facebook Live, feel free to reach out to the CommentSold support team by selecting the blue support icon in the bottom right corner of your CommentSold dashboard. Happy selling!